Hello guys, Corey here, back with another video. We are doing some more Battle of Warships gameplay, and we've got the KMS H41. Arguably the best ship in the game. I don't know. Could be. But then there's like other ships competing for that title as well, so anyway, before we get into the battle, I would love for you to smash the like button and the subscribe button, because I want to get to 20 subs, and then obviously we can set higher goals. We're on 18, we're 2 away, so yeah, but I'll see you at Bell. Okay, so we're at Bell. The teams, I'd say, are very fair. Each team has got about 3 or 4, possibly 5 really powerful, like capable of getting kills kind of ships. I would prefer to be with a battleship though. Yes, death trap, even if I am in the H41. So, what I'm extremely worried about is that they've got 2 midways, and I'm not the most maneuverable ship ever, but the most maneuverable ship ever, so I'm a bit worried about that. Over there. That Wisconsin, I don't really care about, it's not fully upgraded, so if we lose it, it's not a big loss. So, it's quite a nice ship, isn't it? It's a pretty big as well. Oh, if I'd just been a bit sooner, could have got a sneaky shot on that. Super South, I had a feeling it was going to go for us. So, let's try to get a kill first. Oh no, we've got a kill assist instead. Missouri over there. Take a moment to stop and fire at the Missouri, man. Come on, we can get a kill, we can get the kill. Come on. This is ours, come on. There's a few of them we need to hit. Oh. We're getting closer and closer to a kill. Oh, but some other geezer still has a kill. How lovely. We can just about hit the midway. But barely. So, Midway and Iowa left for them. We have a Yamato, H41 Sonano, and the Midway left. We have the advantage right now, basically. So yeah, just keep on hitting the ships up, get more damage, kill the ship, win the battle. It's literally my game plan. I feel like Yamada's gonna die, which gives me the opportunity to kind of just take out the pair of them. So yeah. Did they ever get the shot on us? Yeah, two separate contacts. We stop, we can just basically the Midway just sail into our view. Or no, I think the Midway's turning. Nah, it's dead. Nah. Just for safety, I'm gonna need a ship repair. Really want to take out the IR. Oh wait, no, going to anyway. One more hit, one more hit. Come on. Nah, it's like 730. You can't be doing this. There we go. Decent battle. 572k damage and then 2 kills. That's not bad. See you guys in the main lobby. So, yeah, that's gonna be it for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next video. Goodbye.